Hey friends, welcome back to Tech Stack Hub. Today we are unlocking the full power of CapCut Pro, a powerful AI editing suite that can transform your photos and videos with just a few clicks. From background, removal to cartoon avatar, from restoring old image to creating memes. This site literally does it all. Okay, stay till the end to see the top three favorite tools and tips to get the most out of this platform. A background remover image. This is image. This is the image background remover. Probably their most popular tool. Just upload any photo with a busy or unwanted background. With within seconds, Cutout Pro will isolate the subject and remove everything else. You can click edit and add a new background to apply effect right from the browser. No need for Photoshop. AI background remover. AI video background remover. Next up, in video background remover, this feature blew me away. It can separate subject from the background in video without a green screen. Perfect for creating marketing reels, TikTokers, or demo videos. You want a clean background. AI retouch and object remover. Ever wanted to be removed unwanted object or photo bombers for your photos? The retouch tool lets you brush over any area and Cutout Pro remove it seamlessly with using content aware fill. It works great for removing logos, text, shadows, or even people from your shots. Cartoon avatar and anime style. This one is creative. Upload your selfie. What's the magic happen? You are now an anime character or cartoon style avatar. Perfectly for profile pics, streaming thumbnails, or just having fun with friends. AI art generator. Feeling creative? The AI art generator lets the AI generator lets you type a prompt and the AI creates a full illustration for you. This is great social media posts. This is great for social media post, concept art, and even printable well art, photo enhancer and upcar. This feature is a lifesaver. The photo enhancer brings blurry and the pixelated images back to life. It uses deep AI sharpening to upscale and enhance facial features. They also have a anime enhancer that sharpness low as anime art. Photo colorizer and photo animer. Point to colorize old photos, upload a black and white portrait and bloom. It's instantly colorized. Or animate your selfie and make it blink or smile. Super fun for avatar and reaction GIFs. Passport photo maker. Upload a regular image, select country, show auto crop and background fix. Need an ID photo fast. The photo passport maker resize and reformats your images for over hundreds countries automatically, including official white background and dimensions. Job application, visa processing, printable passport photos at home. E-commerce auto design. Upload product photo, generate stylish product ads with backgrounds. Are you selling online? This e-commerce design tool help you to get professional looking product images. No designer needed. Upload your photo, pick a layout, Done. Meme generator. Let's end with something fun. The meme generator. Pick a photo, added meme text, and download. Quick, clean, hilarious. This is my go-to tool when I want to post a trending meme fast. Fine thoughts. So that you have it, an entire AI editing studio at your fingertips. Whether you are making content, building your brand, or just experimenting, CapCut Pro is an incredible tool set. I have dropped the link in the description. Go explore it today. Like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, comment below your favorite features.